Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 1, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open one of your apps like Play Store and click on the square button. Now you need to click on the icon of an app and select pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to make it smaller, you need to hold this line and drag it to the center of your screen. If you wish to use it to overlay the other app, tap on the other one and operate in both of them. If you wish to close this app, you can do that by choosing Home button, but you can also just swipe it downwards like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!